Hey guys, it's Jamie. Do you guys notice something different today?
Nobody cares.
Yes, we're in my bedroom. Don't get dirty.
Ooh.
Don't have weird, crazy thoughts. And yes, my dogs are also in the background. That's Charlie and that's Chewy, by the way. But the reason why I am filming in my bedroom today is because y'all know I rely on natural light, even though I do use a ring light. But today in Toronto, the weather is so dark and rainy and just not a good day to film. And I really wanted to film this video and get it out. I feel like sitting like this is giving me like rolls right here. But anyways, here we are. The makeup brand I'm gonna be talking about in this video and some of the products that I did pick up is Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I feel like I'm so late in talking about this brand and the products because Rare Beauty came out last month and it's literally been so hyped all over YouTube, Instagram. Let's talk about the brand a little bit. To be honest, I don't really look at Selena as a makeup or beauty guru, and I was obviously surprised, just like everyone else, when she came out with the brand. Looking at her brand overall, I feel like there's something for everybody. You can do the natural glowy look, but you can also do really eccentric, bold, cut crease, I don't know, makeup looks. What I'm trying to say is that there's something for everybody depending on who you are and how you want to portray yourself. In a video that I watched recently by Selena, she talks about being rare means being comfortable with yourself. No need to be perfect, just be you. She wants Rare Beauty to be more than a beauty brand. She hopes we all stop comparing ourselves to each other and embrace our own uniqueness. And you guys know I love stuff like that, being transgender. She also focuses on mental health and talks about her own personal struggles, and it shows a lot of transparency. So talking about mental health and people, I do want to mention something that I've been watching a lot of videos and reading comments. People are coming after Selena because she started this beauty brand. I wish people would just leave other people alone. It's 2020, honey. Drink their tea, mind their business, let other people do what makes them happy. It's time to shine. Okay, I'm gonna stop ranting, but if you guys have stayed this far, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you're a new subscriber, I hope you do stick around, join the family, and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow if you do like content like this. Anyways, let's look at the products. I literally need some like bronzer and blush ASAP because I'm looking a little one color, and we're not about that life. We like to be rich in life, rich in color. I only picked up 3 products from our line only because I wanted to try it out first, see if I like the feel, the texture, the colors, and then go back. I did want to pick up the concealer and the foundation, but then I honestly thought about it. I really don't wear foundation very much, and I'm very picky with concealers, and I do have a bunch in my stash already, so I just didn't want to keep buying products. I don't want to keep spending money. The first product I'm going to be showing you guys is this liquid highlighter, Positive Light Liquid Luminizer in the color Flaunt, and there is like a bunch of shades. This is described as a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting lit from within glow. Y'all know I love the glowy vibes. This is what that color looks like. Golden, bronzy kind of color. Fun fact with the packaging, the ball on the tops help people with arthritis or motor issues, which Selena apparently has a little bit of, to open the product. I think that's so cool and so thoughtful. By the way, guys, I'm not wearing any blush or highlighter or bronzer on my face because that way you guys can see what these products look like. But yeah, let's continue with the products. It's called the Lip Souffle Cream, described as a whipped lip cream that delivers comfortable one-stroke color with a vivid velvety finish. Okay, I ruined the packaging, but all the lip colors correspond with the packaging outside. So this color is like a brownie orange color, so this is the packaging. But this color Brave is so popular, I literally had to wait like a month to get this. This is what it looks like. The packaging feels very like velvety and matte. I mean, this is a matte cream, so it makes sense. And let me swatch it for you guys. It's like an orangey color with a hint of brown. The last product I picked up is called the Soft Pinch Matte Liquid Blush that blends and builds beautifully for a soft, healthy flush. And this is the matte finish, and the color is called Love. This is what the blush looks like. It's like a reddy brown terracotta color. she pigmented. Okay. And I kind of feel like you can wear this on your lips as well. Okay, now this is a surprise. So my birthday was recently and my friend Krista got me a birthday present. I just thought it was really thoughtful that she heard me say I wanted to try Rare Beauty. So she got me the Best in Rare Beauty, this gift set from Sephora. I'm so obsessed. There's a color called Joy. It's one of the cream blushes, which is more dewy. This blush, guys, is still sold out and it's in this gift set. So I'm so excited because I get to try it. It comes with the matte blush in Love that I just showed you guys, the dewy blush in Joy, which I'm so excited about. This color is very corally pink based. I wish it was more tangerine orangey, but I'm still so obsessed. And then we have a lip balm in the color Support. That's what it looks like. But it's like a really pretty nudie mauvey brown. And lastly, another matte lip cream in the color Transform. It's like a really pretty deep burgundy red almost. So we have a lot to try. Let's start. I'm going to use the matte blush in Love on this cheek and the dewy blush in Joy on this cheek. I'm going to be using my fingers as always. Okay, this color is so pigmented. Did you see how little I just applied? Let me blend this out a little bit. We're literally looking rich in life, rich in color for sure. Now Joy on this side. And she is definitely also pigmented. I'm gonna do the same thing and blend this side out a little bit because we're looking a little crazy. I don't know if you guys notice a difference. This side is definitely a bit more red and this side's a little bit more peachy. Let me come closer. So that one is Love and this is Joy. I really like both sides. And the matte side was not that hard to blend. Obviously a dewier blush is easier to blend, but it looks really natural on my skin and it doesn't like emphasize texture or anything like that. So I'm not going anywhere, but I feel like this looks crazy. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Joy on this side, a little bit of Love on this side, and be extra loving and joyous. This is like way too much blush. Like it looks honestly crazier in person. This blush is definitely pigmented. So be careful how much you put on your cheeks, but I think I did a pretty good job blending both colors. And I think once I wear highlighter and bronzer, it's gonna look much, much better. Let's apply the highlighter. Maybe that much. I feel like I'm putting on a lot of product, but yeah. So this highlighter is also very pigmented, but it is blending out beautifully with my fingers. Wow, that looks amazing. Do you guys see that? I'm really impressed. Shining, 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 shining. Yeah, that's a mood. What do you guys think? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna use my cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty and my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer in Tan. And I'm gonna powder my face a little bit with the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Powder. And I'll be right back. Again, I'm so excited to try this lip cream in Brave. The product has like a weird smell to it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the color yet. What do you guys think? So this is Brave by itself. I feel like I need like a lip liner or something to define my lips a little bit. So let me add MAC Cork lip liner. Give me 1 sec. Y'all know I typically don't wear a matte lip, but I think it looks really good like with the whole peachy, orangey vibe that is happening. Next, the product we're going to be trying is the lip balm in Support. Now, these lip balms are definitely not like a traditional lip balm where there's no color. There's definitely pigmentation, as you guys saw earlier. But I'm curious to see what this color looks like on my very pigmented lips. So I typically don't really wear mauve tone lipsticks because it's on the pinker side, but this is really pretty. I wish it was a little bit more brown, but I feel like I could just add MAC Cork lip liner to make it a bit more browny. And I love the finish. It feels really like creamy, and when I was applying it, it just felt like a dream to apply. So I love the finish. I like the color, and hopefully in the future she brings out more lip colors for my skin tone. The next product I'm going to be trying is the lip cream in Transform. The pigmentation though. This lip cream in Transform was a dream to apply. It was a little bit different than the other lip cream in Brave, and that's maybe because my lips are very pigmented. I feel like the other color went a bit more patchy, where this one was just like smooth, just so easy to apply. Love this color. I typically don't wear bold lips like this, but girl, if I do, you coming with me. And with the gloss on top, don't talk to me. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys picked up any of the products from Rare Beauty. I really like her brand so far. I think she's doing a really good job in catering to everybody. I just want more brown tone lip products or more tangerine orange blush colors. That's just me being selfish, but those are just my colors and what I like. But the quality and the finish seems to be great for everything that I've tried on so far. And this gift set, Best of Rare Beauty, gifted by my friend Krista, thank you so much again, I think is great because you get to try a little bit of everything. But I actually think this might be sold out on Sephora right now, but maybe they'll restock. Other than that, thank you so much guys for dealing with my chaotic lighting and the dogs and everything. But if you guys do like videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button and comment below and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video from me. And if you guys want to keep on talking, watch me do weird things, as always, my Instagram is just Jamie P, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Can I have some love, please? No? No problem. Chewy loves me. That's fine.